Girl, I just want to know that it works. That's it. I'm not going to commit it to memory. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Melissa, also known as Melly Mel the Muse. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you're already a member of my Muse community, thank you. I'm glad that you're here, and let's get into this video. As you can probably tell from the title, I'm going to be sharing with you all a few lip glosses and lipsticks that I think are options for the perfect nude when it comes to individuals with my complexion. So out of the nude lip products that I own, there are 4 lip glosses and 2 lipsticks that I think work perfectly. And what I mean by that is you can get away, in my opinion, if you have a complexion similar to mine. I think you can get away with not using a lip liner when it comes to these products. Of course, you can always use a lip liner if you want to, if you want a more gradient look or you want it to be more defined, whatever you want to do. Oftentimes these products that I'm mentioning to you will look great with a lip liner as well. Personally, if I'm going to be using a lip liner, I usually stick to Chestnut by MAC. But if I can get away with not using a lip liner, I'm here for it. Go ahead, make my life easier. So the first lip gloss that I want to share with you guys is actually something I picked up recently on sale from Ulta during their 21 days of beauty. And that is a lip gloss by Dose of Colors. I believe it's from their Stay Glossy line, and the color that I'm going to be showing you is called Seriously. By the way, I will be listing all of the lip glosses that I'm showing you in the video down below in the description box, just in case you are interested in trying them out yourself. That way you have like the full exact name for each product as well as the color that I'm wearing. It's kind of hard to remember the exact full title and name for all these lip glosses because some of them are just like, I mean, they're long. But I will provide that information for you in the description box. Girl, I just want to know that it works. That's it. I'm not going to commit it to memory. But anyways, like I said, first color is from Dose of Colors, and it's in their color Seriously. I saw someone that looked similar to me who put it on that I was just like, oh, maybe I should give that a shot. Because to be honest with you, when I saw the color online, I wasn't really feeling it. I was afraid that was gonna give me that sort of like cocaine look. You know what I mean? Like that really pale lip and you're just like, that ashy look. But I was actually pleasantly surprised that it didn't do that. This is the wand that it comes with. I really, really like this wand. It makes it so easy to apply the lip gloss to my lips. And that's the look, you guys. You see what I mean? And by the way, this formula is great. It feels great on the lips. For a lip gloss, it's very pigmented. It doesn't go on sheer. It's not like you have to put on a whole lot just to get the color to show. It's very pigmented. It feels really, really great on the lips, and it lasts. I'm not trying to reapply on the hour every hour when it comes to lip gloss. This lasts a good amount of time, and my lips do feel hydrated and moisturized when I'm using it. Because some lip glosses, even though it's a gloss, it feels like it does nothing or it just dries out your lips. This doesn't do that, and it's not sticky. It feels more creamy than anything else, but it's not like one of those like sticky lip glosses. No, it's not like that. But you see that? You see what I mean by I don't think you necessarily need a lip liner to wear it. You could put on a lip liner if you want a certain look, but I don't necessarily think you need one. Between the lip product swatches, I'm going to remove each one using one of my cleansing facial wipes. And then I'm gonna prime my lips between swatches after removing the previous lip product with MAC's Prime and Prep. The next color is actually a lip gloss that was given to me by my sister, and it is by L'Oreal, and it's their Color Rich lip gloss, and it's in the color Rich Brown. Okay, so this is Rich Brown by L'Oreal in their Color Rich lip gloss. It feels good on the lips. I don't really taste anything. There's no sort of taste to it. And there's no distinct smell either. I think the Dose of Color one might have a sort of smell to it. Yeah, this one smells kind of like vanilla. And I don't really recall there being a taste to it. I try not to lick my lip glosses. But this product, there is no smell, there's no taste. It feels good on the lips. And as you can see, it has a pretty decent color payoff as well. And it is a darker nude color, and I think it could work for people who have a darker complexion than mine. Now the next lip gloss is from the brand Inglot. I was lucky enough to visit the Inglot store in person this year when I went to Las Vegas. They took all my coins, but I was really glad with my purchases, especially this lip gloss that is from their Jennifer Lopez collection. And the color that I got was Burnt Sienna. Ooh, this smells real good. It smells tropical. Take me back to Florida. Doesn't taste like anything though. Good. I'm not trying to eat my lip gloss. And that's it. I think it's a really pretty color, a very pretty color. I think it's much more similar in color to the Dose of Color's Stay Glossy Seriously lip gloss. What do you think? Again, I'm not wearing any lip liner. I think you can get away with not wearing lip liner for this. Pretty good color payoff for sure. Now y'all already know what's going to be my fourth and final lip gloss. And that is Fenty Beauty. It's a very beautiful color. I think the color payoff is definitely more sheer, and it's also a bit more shimmery than the other lip products that I shared with you guys prior to swatching this one. This one smells good too. It smells really good. It smells like vanilla to me. So as you can see, it's definitely more sheer compared to the other products, and there's a bit more shimmer to it, but it does help bring out the natural nude of your lip. I also think that this would make a really good topper on any of the other lip gloss products, or even the lipstick products I'm going to show you that I think are really good nudes for people with a darker complexion like mine. I think this makes a really good topper. Sorry guys, took a little break. My husband, he brought home some Dunkin' for me. I really like their hazelnut lattes, so I was too excited. So I took a little break, allowed my camera to cool off too because it was about to shut off on me. It does that from time to time. Tastes so good. Now back to the swatches. Now the last two products I'm gonna swatch for you guys are actually lipsticks. The first lipstick I actually bought again during the 21 days of Ulta sale. It wasn't one of those featured items that were on sale, but it was something that just happened to be on sale around the same time. It's actually a lipstick by Ulta, and I believe it's one of their Luxe lipsticks. I ended up buying like 8 different shades of this lipstick, and I love every last shade that I purchased. So I'm definitely planning on doing swatches of those for you as well, just in case you were ever interested in trying out Ulta's Luxe lipsticks. I really like the feel of these lipsticks. They're very creamy on the lips. I feel like they're very hydrating and moisturizing. They're not like dry, chalky, you know, lipstick. My lips don't feel like it's, you know how it starts to clump up, some lipsticks are just, the formula just starts to clump up on your lips and things like that, and it just feels gross. No, this doesn't feel gross at all. It feels really good. It feels juicy. And I also think it's pretty long lasting too, in terms of like staying power on your lips. So I think it's a worthwhile investment, and they're not that expensive. So for the quality, you can't beat it. Now the color I'm gonna be swatching for you guys is called Chocolate Kiss. What do you guys think? So this color, I kind of consider it to be like a sort of cheek color, meaning that, as you can see, it does have a chocolatey color. It is chocolatey, but to me, there's just a little bit of some red in it. Maybe it could even be orange. I don't know, but it just looks like there's something else to it, and I think, in my opinion, it's some red. So it's like a nude, but it's like almost that transition color. If you wanted a color that was more like a subdued red that could get you into a brown sort of nudish color, then I think this would work. Because sometimes you want a sort of nude color that doesn't necessarily look like your lips literally just blended into the rest of your face because everything like matched perfectly. Sometimes you just want a little hint of maybe a red or a little hint of some color in that brown, in that nude, to kind of help it pop a little bit more, to help it stand out a bit more, but still look earthy, still look nude-ish. And I think that this color is perfect for that. Chocolate Kiss. Tell me, do I look kissable? Okay, I need to stop playing, y'all. Now the last lip color, praise the Lord. The last lip color is actually by Decay. The color that I'm gonna be swatching for you guys is called Broken. And it's supposed to be like a more sheer, shimmery color. So when I think of it as being kind of like the Fenty lip gloss, except this is a lipstick formula and the color is a bit deeper. But anyways, I'm gonna show it to y'all. You see that? Absolutely gorgeous. It's a very nice, rich brown color. Not like a dark brown. It's like a warm brown with a little bit of shimmer. It's like spice. And of course it feels good on the lips. A lot of the Decay lipsticks that I own feel really, really good on the lips. And it looks really natural. That's what I like for a lot of the lip products I showed you in this video, is that when you put them on, it does look very natural. It looks like your lips, but better, even though they're different colors, different versions of nude. That's the sort of feeling that I get from them. So overall, another reason why I chose to do this video is because I think all of these colors, in addition to being great nude options for people of a darker complexion or complexion similar to mine, I think they make beautiful fall, autumn lip colors to wear. Of course, you can get away with wearing nudes that I showed you any time of the year. Like, you can never go wrong when it comes to wearing a nude color lip, as long as it's the right nude color lip for your skin tone. You can never go wrong any time of year. But I think particularly in the fall, because nudes, especially on our complexion, a nude that is more suited for our complexion is definitely more earthy in color. And I feel like that goes perfectly when it comes to fall and the colors that fall represent. You know, the leaves changing from green to reds to orange to browns. It's very, very beautiful, and I think they make very nice fall colors. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Please leave your comments down below. Let me know if you thought any of these colors are things that you would be interested in trying, or if you've even tried some of these colors, which ones worked out for you. Maybe you have examples of other nudes that would go well with our skin complexion. Go ahead, leave those comments down below. Share your knowledge. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I also hope to see you at my next video. Bye.